If you need to close your Wise account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure you have settled any outstanding transactions before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wise account by logging in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings option. This is usually located in the menu or profile section of the website or app. Step 3. Select the option to close account. In the Account Settings, look for the option that allows you to close or deactivate your account. This may be labeled as Close Account or Delete Account. Step 4. Follow the prompt. After selecting the option to close your account, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. Finally, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Once you have completed these steps, your Wise account will be closed. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Wise customer support.